most dangerous dogs in the world, American Pitbull. The American Pitbull is considered one of the most dangerous dogs on earth, because he was brought up to wrestle and fight other dogs, and thus his breed acquired aggressive qualities. It also has the strongest bite compared to other dogs, and its bite can cause horrific and sometimes fatal injuries, as it grabs its prey firmly and refuses to let it go. It is commonly found in the United States of America, where it was brought there during the 9th century by immigrants from England.